Welcome to Wizard.com. I'm maths teacher Aditi. We have this question here. The points minus 1, minus 2, 1, 0, minus 1, 2 and minus 3, 0 forms a quadrilateral of type. Now let's first name all these points. So let's give it A minus 1 comma minus 2, B 1 comma 0, C minus 1 comma 2 and D minus 3 comma 0. Now in order to check these points for making square or rectangle, what we'll need to do is we'll need to find if adjacent sides are perpendicular to each other. So for square or rectangle, we check perpendicularity. Now we know for perpendicular lines, multiplication of slopes is minus 1. Now using this, we need to show slope of AB should be perpendicular to BC. That is, AB line should be perpendicular to BC. BC should be perpendicular to CD. CD should be perpendicular to AD and AD should be perpendicular to AB. So let's first check slope of AB. We know slope is equal to y2 minus y1 upon x2 minus x1. So that is equal to 0 minus of minus 2 divided by 1 minus of minus 1. So that is equal to minus 2 is plus 2. 1 minus of minus 1 is 1 plus 1, which is 2. So this is 1. Slope of BC is equal to 2 minus 0 divided by minus 1, which is equal to 2 divided by minus 2, which is minus 1. Slope of CD is equal to 0 minus 2 divided by minus 3 minus of minus 1. So which is equal to minus 2 divided by minus 3 minus of minus 1 is plus 1. So minus 3 plus 1 is minus 2. That gives us plus 1. And slope of AD is equal to 0 minus of minus 2 divided by minus 3 minus of minus 1, which is equal to minus of minus 2 is plus 2 and minus 3 minus of minus 1 is minus 2. So that gives us minus 1. So in order for this to be square or rectangle, for given quadrilateral ABCD to be square or rectangle, AB should be perpendicular to BC, BC should be perpendicular to CD, CD should be perpendicular to AD and AD should be perpendicular to AB. So let's check for that. AB perpendicular to BC. How to check that? M1 into M2 should be minus 1. So let's see. M1 is a slope of AB, which is equal to 1, into M2 is slope of BC, which is equal to minus 1. So it is minus 1. So AB is perpendicular to BC. Similarly, let's find out multiplication of all the other slopes. BC perpendicular to CD, M1 multiplied by M2 should be equal to minus 1, and here it is minus 1 into 1, which is equal to minus 1. So BC is perpendicular to CD. CD perpendicular to AD, again M1 should be equal to M2, and M1 should be M1 M2 should be equal to minus 1, and that is equal to 1 into minus 1, and yes, it is minus 1. Again AD, Is it perpendicular to AB? M1 multiplied by M2 should be equal to -1, and in this case as well we find that this is in fact true, -1. So we find that all of the sides are perpendicular to each other. All the adjacent sides are perpendicular to each other. Now from here, this can be square or rectangle. Now in order to check for square, any two adjacent sides should be of equal length. So let's check for length of AB equal to length of BC. Is it true? So length of AB is given by under root of x1 plus x1 minus x2 whole square plus y1 minus y2 whole square. So that should be equal to, for AB, x1 x2 are 1 minus 1 and 1, and y1 y2 are minus 2 and 0. So let's see, under root of -1 whole square plus -2 minus 0 whole square. So that is equal to, let's see, -2 whole square is 4 and -2 whole square is 4. So this is equal to 2 root 2 units. Let's check for length of BC. And for that also we have the same distance formula. Let's just put the values of x1 x2 and y1 y2 here. So for BC, x1 x2 are 1 and -1, and y1 y2 are 0 and 2. So that should be under root of 1 minus of -1 whole square plus 2 minus 0 whole square. So that is equal to 1 minus of -1 whole square means minus of 1 plus 1 whole square, that is 2 square. So again this is 4 plus 4. So again this is 4 plus 4. So this is 4 plus 4 under root of that. So 2 root 2 units. Therefore given vertices are forming a square. Let's see, answer is option A. Let's see, yes, answer is option A, square.